There are several options for providing feedback when you have students upload files for their assignments. We'll take a look at a couple of those here. For the project proposal, we'll come in and we'll see I have a couple that need grading. I'm going to view all of the submissions and come in here and see this one here. It has been submitted for grading, needs to be graded. So I'm going to go ahead and click the grade button. In this case, the student uploaded a Microsoft Word file, and the Kadi system is turning that uploaded file into a PDF so that I'll be able to read the assignment online. So I can see here's my student's paper. I can do several things. I can add comments on the paper overall. If you want to add a comment on this specific paragraph here. You can get really into it. There are stamps that you can use, like check marks and smiley faces, sad faces, all kinds of things that you can do here. After you've annotated or before you've annotated, while you're annotating, you can go ahead and then apply a grade. So in this case, the student got a 28. And very important, you want to go ahead and save your changes as soon as you're done. So if we come back to view all submissions, we can look, this was Chem 6. You can see that it's now graded. They got a 28 out of 30. You can see the original file that the student uploaded here, and then the PDF that the student uploaded here. So the student would come in, click on this, they'd be able to download the file and view those annotations. You can see the comments that you've made will be on the second page here. Another option, which I used for this second assignment here, is you'll see, we'll go ahead and view all of the submissions. Once again, the same student, paper, it's a Word file. If we go in and click grade, you'll see that I did not enable annotate PDF for this assignment, so no PDF is being created. If I want to see the student's paper, I actually have to click on it, download it, open it in Word, and view the paper that way. I'll come in and give the student a grade and then provide comments here. I've got some comments on the paper, maybe some comments on a comment on the writing style, and something else here. Once again, want to go ahead and save changes. So you'll see here, instead of an annotated feedback file, you can now see the comments that you've made for the students here. So you can enable both feedback comments and annotate PDFs. You can do both of those depending on what you would like to do. One note is that annotate PDF is only going to work for text-based files. So if your students are uploading sound files or video files, you want to go ahead and uncheck annotate PDF because it's going to just make a blank PDF, which isn't going to be that helpful for you. Just an example to see for what a student is going to see. Go ahead and go to the grades. And I'm going to go to the user report. The user report is a really nice report because you can come in and select the specific user. So I was grading Chem 6 and view the report as the user. When the students come in and click on their grades in Kadi, they will be taken to this user report. This is what they'll be seeing. So I can see the project proposal that the student did and they got a 28, they got an A. But if they want to see any feedback, they would have to go to the specific assignment itself to see that. With the background source where I left feedback comments, those comments are then going to show up here in their grader report. They'll also be able to see how they're doing in the course. The student's doing really well. So those are some features of the grader report, and it's really great, especially if you want to see what the students are seeing, to come over here and take a look at the user report.